Alright, so we're going to be going through our counters here, boys, and this first one right here is going to count from 2 to 14, so start at 2, there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then back to 2. So this counter right here works. And then next we're going to go to this next counter right here. This you count from 15 to 0. So we get back here to the start. So F15, 14, 13, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It should work back up to 15 there. Then we go down here. This is 0 to 15 counter with the D flip-flops. Sorry, this is the JK and the JK here. This is going to count from 0 to 15. So start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then back to 0. Now we go back here. This is another truncated one, so they count from down from 15 to number 4. So start at 15F, then all the way down 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and then right back up to 15. This is almost 4 of my major grade counters, and these all are working as they should.